Hey guys, today I'm going to be going to the woodlands and I'm going to be doing it on my dirt bike. That's why I have a helmet on. And my mummy and daddy are going to be showing it, okay? Guys, I have a helmet on. I know you might be confused because of that. But look, I have a motorbike here and look over there, it's a woodland. I am going to be driving all the way on my motorbike. But at bumpy bits, I will walk because there's a chance I trip, okay? And I do not want to hurt myself on this adventure. So let's start. Oh yeah, and before I do this, make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. And this video, I hope, gets about 22 views or more, okay? Now, that was just a practice, so I will be going over some bumpy bits. And this will be on fast mode, level 2, okay? So, let's just get on with the video. Now I will be waiting for the camera because since I'm on my motorbike, my parents can't catch up, so I will be waiting. So I will be over there for a bit of a while, but I will be coming back. Let's do this, baby! If I go up driving, then there is a chance I break my helmet into 4 and cut my nose off, right?
Why?
That's a pretty steep hill.
You'd be able to go up it though, darling.
I'm just going to walk it up, okay?
Okay. Don't want to break your helmet into 4 and chop your nose off, do you?
I said 8.
Oh, 8. Haha, it didn't work.
A bit of space so I can actually ride properly. So
Watch out for trees.
let's do this. So you can't caught up. That did not run out of battery. I accidentally turned it off, okay? No one's saying okay.
Okay. Sorry, I thought you were talking to the subscribers.
I'm talking to the viewers and you.
Oh, sorry.
What do you mean? Because you always tell me off for reading your mind.
No, because if I said okay, then you probably know. Seems like we have a bit of a challenge, but at least they've left a bridge. We cannot drop ourselves down there. And you might be wondering why I'm using a motorbike. It's actually a dirt bike. We're having a bit of a challenge on this, but I won't be riding on this bit just in case. Okay, since that one didn't break, I know the other one won't.
What do you think this was, Dax? A
What
fork?
made that?
Ritual.
A witch or a ritual?
Ritual.
Oh, it's a ritual.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Makes sense. I wonder what ritual
Now
led
guys,
that blue
I
string.
know I haven't been playing that much games on my channel. I haven't been playing any games on my channel. And I haven't uploaded that much videos because I watch TV and play games. But I think my next one should be about playing games. I'll either play Roblox, Minecraft or Fortnite. But my daddy can't play with me on Minecraft, can you?
No,
And can you tell them why?
I can't log in. Kind of sucks.
And you can't play on your old account. Can you tell them why?
I'm not sure.
You lost it.
Oh, I lost it. Exactly.
And again, you can't find your password.
Can't find my password. But I have found a blue rope.
Yes. That is very useful. A blue piece of rope is useful.
Do you know that you can swing on that?
No.
You can. That's what it's there for.
What? Oh.
Want to see?
Oh, I thought he found it on Minecraft, not actually in real life. We have a giant obstacle. You know that part where we were on a bridge? Them two bridges? Look there.
You can definitely ride over that one.
They're bigger.
Dare you to ride over it?
What?
Dare you to ride over it?
No.
Ride over it and then all the way up the hill.
I'm on the obstacle right now.
If you used a bit of power, it would help you take that bike up the thing.
You should definitely watch my other videos if you haven't. And if you're new, then I dare you to press the subscribe button with your nail. So, this forest is quite long, so I think we're going to have to do a part 2. So I think we should end it here
Okay.
because we need to do a part 2 because the forest is honestly very long.
Very long.
So, bye!
Bye.